The GSXR is the most dominant superbike in recent AMA history.
Here we are at Virginia International Raceway. We've got two average riders. We've given them brand new GSXR1000 2007 models. We're going to do our best to teach them everything we can about all the benefits of the new GSXR1000.
I can't believe seeing it on a production bike right off the showroom floor.
You can really feel the power get on nice and smooth out of the S's.
As the GSXR series come prepared, those bikes are as ready for the racetrack as anything out there. There's nothing that can touch it.